The main 12-volt battery in the Volvo S80 II from 2006 to 2016 is located in the trunk, not under the hood. This design optimizes weight distribution. To access it, open the trunk, lift the carpeted floor mat, and remove any plastic covers. The battery sits on the right side in a plastic tray, secured by a clamp and cables. This is where you'll find the battery for jump starting or replacement. First, fully open the trunk of your Volvo S80 II. Next, lift the carpeted floor mat. It's usually held down by clips or fasteners. Beneath the mat, you'll likely find plastic covers or foam padding. Remove these to expose the battery. Be careful not to damage any components during this process. Now you have access to the battery itself. The Volvo S80 II uses a 12-volt lead-acid battery, typically with a capacity of 70 to 98 hours. Part numbers include Volvo 3120. It's responsible for starting the engine, powering lights, and stabilizing the vehicle's electrical system. While standard lead-acid batteries were originally used, many owners upgrade to AGM batteries for improved cold weather performance and durability. When working with the battery in your Volvo S80 II, you'll need specific tools to ensure safe and effective maintenance. Essential tools include a wrench for loosening and tightening the battery terminals. Protective gloves are crucial to shield your hands from potential acid exposure. A battery tester helps verify the battery's condition and voltage levels. Moving to safety precautions, always ensure the vehicle is completely turned off before beginning any work. Disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent dangerous electrical sparks. Wear appropriate safety gear at all times, as batteries contain sulfuric acid and can explode if short-circuited. Regular maintenance for your Volvo S80 II battery includes checking for corrosion and ensuring the terminals are clean and tight. This helps prevent electrical issues and extends battery life. Consider upgrading to an AGM battery for improved performance, particularly in cold climates where traditional batteries struggle. AGM batteries offer better resistance to temperature extremes and vibration. Aftermarket battery monitoring systems can provide real-time health updates through smartphone apps, offering more detailed information than the vehicle's original basic sensor. Common battery issues in the Volvo S80 II include corrosion, especially in humid climates, and battery drain caused by faulty alternators or other electrical problems. If you experience repeated battery failures, clean the terminals regularly and check the alternator's output for proper voltage. OBD2 scanners can help diagnose battery-related issues by monitoring electrical systems. The automotive industry is rapidly moving towards electrification, with traditional 12-volt batteries being phased out for advanced technologies like lithium-ion batteries and sophisticated battery management systems. Lithium-ion batteries offer higher energy density and faster charging, making them ideal for modern vehicles. Advanced battery management systems monitor health and optimize performance in real time. For older vehicles like the Volvo S80, aftermarket upgrades including lithium-ion retrofits are becoming available, offering improved efficiency and longevity. Expert recommendations from Volvo-certified mechanics emphasize using AGM batteries for their superior longevity and resistance to vibration. When considering retrofits, always opt for professional installation to prevent compatibility problems with the vehicle's electrical system. Finally, embrace sustainable practices by properly recycling old batteries, supporting the global push toward eco-friendly battery management.